Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mold detector is probably one of the most important tools for homeowners. Mold can be an insidious problem, potentially leading to health issues and structural damage. Detecting mold early can save homeowners from extensive repairs and health risks. In this video, we'll dive into the world of mold detectors, exploring what they are, how they work, and how to choose the right one for your home. Number 5. Mold Armor DIY Mold Test Kit. Worried about mold? This DIY kit from Mold Armor helps you find it quickly. It provides visible results in as little as 48 hours, so you can address the problem promptly. Whether inside your home or outside, this kit has you covered. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor mold testing, ensuring you can check any area of concern. The kit offers 3 testing methods to suit your needs. You can test the indoor air quality, sample from your air conditioning or heating system, or test surfaces where mold is visible. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a petri dish, a swab, and a mold growth medium, making the testing process straightforward. For more detailed results, you can opt for lab analysis. For an additional fee, send in your results, and a team of US-based microbiologists will help you determine the mold type. What we like. This kit gives you quick results, showing mold presence in as little as 48 hours. It's great for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can check various areas. If you are concerned about potential mold growth in multiple locations, this is a great choice. What people say. The Mold Armor test kit was super easy to use and gave me peace of mind. The instructions were clear, and the process was simple, just set it up and wait for results. I was able to identify potential mold issues quickly without having to spend a lot on professional testing right away. My results demonstrate that the kits are accurate. One test showed mold, and the other didn't. This proves, to me, that the kit works well to detect mold when it's present and shows negative results when there is no mold. Number 4. Evviva Sciences Mold Test Kit for Home. This kit from Evviva Sciences provides an easy way to detect mold in your home. It includes 10 tests, allowing you to check multiple areas. This helps you identify potential mold problems quickly. The kit allows you to test room air, your HVAC system, and any household surface. You can test in various locations like walls, showers, and sinks. This comprehensive approach helps you find mold wherever it may be hiding. For a more detailed analysis, you can opt for a lab test. This provides a detailed report on the types of mold present. The lab test offers a complete assessment of your home's mold situation. The kit comes with a downloadable mold information guide. It includes pictures and details about common household molds. This guide helps you learn about mold risks and how to reduce contamination. This air mold test kit is designed for home or office use. You can get results in as little as 2 to 4 days. It allows you to assess the environmental situation of your home efficiently. What we like. With 10 tests, this kit allows you to thoroughly check your home. It can test room air, HVAC systems, and various surfaces. If you want to perform multiple tests and get detailed information about the mold types, you should consider this. What people say. This test is easy to use and works effectively. We had the petri dish out in the air for several hours with our high-tech air filter running, and this is what it picked up. We also swabbed areas to confirm where the mold was coming from. I tested at my work, and not a speck of mold picked up. I recommend this product if you're trying to figure out if there is mold in homework car. Results inside of the house were definitely better looking than the outside air, and results were overall better than I anticipated they would be. Number 3. Airthings 4200 House Kit, Radon, Air Quality Monitoring. This is the Airthings 4200 House Kit. It includes everything you need to monitor your home's air quality. This system helps you keep track of potential hazards. Inside the box, you'll find the Airthings Wave, Wave Mini, and the Hub. These devices work together to provide comprehensive air quality data throughout your home. They are easy to set up and use. The Airthings Wave is a smart radon detector. It provides both long and short-term values for continuous monitoring. This allows you to keep track of radon levels in your home. The Wave Mini monitors humidity, temperature, and total VOCs. These sensors provide multi-room coverage of your indoor air quality. It helps you create a healthier living environment. With the Airthings Hub, you can access your air quality data anytime, anywhere. This gives you peace of mind knowing you can monitor your home's air quality remotely. The Hub allows for 24/7 access to your data. Use it to receive alerts and control your smart home devices. You can set up your ventilation, humidifier, and air purifier to turn on or off, even when you're away. What we like. This system continuously monitors radon and air quality in multiple rooms. You can access the data anytime, anywhere. If you are looking for a comprehensive, always-on air quality monitoring solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The device is easy to use. The device is very accurate. It is a great product. Number 2. FLIR MR160 Thermal Imaging Moisture Meter. This is the FLIR MR160. It helps you quickly investigate insulation and moisture issues. You can use its pinless technology or external pin probe for both non-destructive and contact measurements. The MR160 uses a built-in thermal imager to locate areas of moisture. Then, you can verify the moisture level using pin and pinless moisture measurement. This helps you pinpoint the exact problem. The MR160 is designed to be rugged and durable. It has a small form factor and an internal rechargeable battery, making it convenient to carry. It's built to last. The device comes with 2-inch pins. These pins are used for accurate moisture measurement in various materials. The product is backed by a limited 10-year warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that the manufacturer stands behind the quality of the product. What we like. This meter uses thermal imaging to quickly find moisture issues. It offers both pin and pinless measurement options. If you want a portable and rugged tool for quick moisture detection, you should consider this. What people say. We used this on our boat since we are experiencing some leaks. It allowed us to locate where the leaks were and monitor the improvement after the fix. Es una herramienta precisa, confiable y extremadamente útil para profesionales o entusiastas seriosos en inspección de humedad o restauración, capaz de agilizar y perfeccionar el trabajo gracias a su tecnología combinada y funcionalidad avanzada. Great piece of equipment, works well and have helped with countless leak detection. Number 1. FLIR MR277 Moisture Meter with MSX IR Camera. This is the FLIR MR277. It helps you clearly and accurately identify building-related issues. It is designed to make your job easier. Quickly find moisture, air leaks, and insulation voids. The thermal imaging has 4x the resolution of earlier models. This helps you find problems quickly. Pinpoint moisture issues with the integrated non-invasive sensor. You can also capture accurate readings with the external pin probe. This ensures you get the right information. This single tool accelerates finding issues and documenting problems. It provides thermal and visual imagery along with accurate readings. It is designed to save you time. The FLIR MR277 comes with a limited 10-year warranty. This provides you with peace of mind. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This meter provides high-resolution thermal imaging to identify building issues. It offers comprehensive readings and allows for efficient diagnosis. If you need a tool to quickly find and document moisture, air leaks, and other problems, this is the perfect choice. What people say. We used this on our boat since we are experiencing some leaks. It allowed us to locate where the leaks were and monitor the improvement after the fix. Great piece of equipment, works well and have helped with countless leak detection. This makes finding moisture so easy during inspection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.